The second habit you need to build is to humanize your content marketing for your target audience and for people who are interested in your content. What I mean humanize your content is that your content should feel like conversation between the producer of the content and the user. It needs to feel like they are having one-on-one conversational, which is educational and entertaining for them. So that means your content is all about storytelling and how well you can get your users actually listen to your story and build emotions and connection with them. Therefore, instead of writing the classic boring corporate newsletter that feel like the big office full of steel and concrete building is talking to you, you better create content that feels like one-to-one conversation between you and your audience, with stories and a rich backstory for you and your brand, with full of value and fun. Because this kind of content is fun to consume and people start building a trust and start liking your brand. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more how to grow your digital marketing effectively. Like this video if you like it and leave a comment below what habit you need to build as a first for your content marketing. Also, don't forget to check out all my links in the description for cool tools for digital marketing, SEO, content marketing and more. Ciao!